Question 13, compound interest at rate R% per year. At the end of 8 years, T equals 8, P equals 6,000. The account earned 621.7 as an interest. The compound interest rule can find the total amount. So we have to find the total amount after 8 years. The total amount after 8 years is 6,000 plus 621.7. which is 6,621.7. The total amount here 6,621.7 and the principal is 6,000. 1 plus R over 100 all to the power T. We have to find the rate here. We will send the 6,000 by division using calculator. 6621.7 divided by 6,000 equals 1.10 and so on. Now we have to find the eighth root of the answer. The eighth root of the answer the eighth root of the answer the eighth root of the answer is 1.01 minus, we will send the 1 by minus 1 minus 1 equal 0.0124 R over 100 equal 0.0124 multiplying by 100 and the rate is 0.124 per year. Thank you.